Want this shake? Hey guys, this is my first tutorial video and just wanted to share you all how to do this easy shake. First, open up the Capcut app and create a new project. Then select the clip you wanted to edit. You can skip this basic part of the video to the shakes if you would like. Find the part where you want to edit. Press the clip and search extract audio. Then press the audio and search for beats. Press auto generate, then set the scale to intense. Align the white line with the yellow circle in the audio that fits the beat of the music. Then split the clip once you've done that. Do the same to the other that fits the beat. If you want, you can add graphs like zooming in and out to make the edit smooth. Anyways, the moment of truth, the shakes. Now, press video effects, then search for Nightclub. There you'll find shake and press object to set it to all videos. Then move the effect between those beats and crop it a bit. Did you know you can add keyframes to the effects? Add keyframes both sides and to the middle of the beat with keyframes, the diamond shape. In the first and last keyframe, set all the adjustments to 0, except for the middle. Set the middle frame to speed and intensity to 100. Then add graphs to make the transition smooth. Choose ease in 1 because for me it hits the spot of the beat. Do the same to other beats you want to add by duplicating and press hold to move it. Then the next effect, search glitch and look for bad TV. Also, if you want to make the shake better you can use pulse line, but it's for Capcut Pro users only. Do the same technique I taught you earlier, but here's an advice for the bad TV effect when using it. Whenever you use this effect for shakes, there are times where your video will flick due to the effect. Here's me trying to crop the part of the effect where the video flicks. Make sure to double check the effect and after that, object and select all videos always so that the effect will fit the screen perfectly. Move the effect to the middle beat and start the frame. Set the middle frame intensity to 100 and both sides to 0. Then after that, graphs both and always pick these in 1. Duplicate it and move it to the other best that you wanted to edit. The next step is that you duplicate the effect 10 times so that the bad TV effect is shown. Lastly, at filter, go to style and select sunset. Move the filter to the center beat and crop it like this. And also, you can add keyframes like the one I showed you in the effects. Both sides 0 but the middle to a 100. Once done, duplicate it and move it to the other beat. Also, you can add a wide angle, ripple, and other nice effects that fit the edit to make the edit look nice. Export it to 1080p resolution, 60 fps, and code rate to high. There you have it guys, I hope you all enjoyed watching and learned something today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Always remember, have fun editing guys, bye.